In today's world, the choices we make about our food can have a profound impact on our health. While some foods are celebrated for their nutritional benefits, others can be harmful to our bodies in ways that we might not immediately realize. Here are 9 foods that you should consider cutting out of your diet to improve your overall health and well-being. 1. Processed meats. Processed meats, such as bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats, are popular food choices around the world, but they come with significant health risks. These meats are typically preserved through smoking, curing, salting, or adding chemical preservatives, which can create harmful substances. One of the primary dangers of processed meat is its link to cancer. The World Health Organization, who has classified processed meats as a Group 1 carcinogen, which means there is sufficient evidence to show that they cause cancer in humans, particularly colorectal cancer. The nitrates and nitrites used in the processing of these meats can form nitrosamines, compounds that are known to be carcinogenic. In addition to cancer, consuming processed meats is associated with an increased risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. These meats are often high in saturated fats and sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and inflammation, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. Furthermore, processed meats lack the essential nutrients found in whole, unprocessed foods. They are often calorie-dense but nutrient-poor, leading to an increased risk of obesity and related health issues. Reducing or eliminating processed meats from your diet can be a crucial step towards better health and longevity. In summary, while processed meats may be convenient and tasty, their health risks far outweigh the benefits. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve overall well-being. 2. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks, including sodas, fruit juices with added sugar, and energy drinks, are major contributors to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and fatty liver disease. These beverages contain high levels of added sugars, which can lead to insulin resistance, increased belly fat, and a host of other metabolic issues. Why to avoid? High in empty calories with no nutritional value, contributes to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes, increases the risk of obesity and metabolic syndrome. 3. Margarine. Margarine, especially those varieties that contain trans fats, has been marketed as a healthier alternative to butter. However, trans fats have been shown to increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes by raising bad cholesterol (LDL) and lowering good cholesterol (HDL). Why to avoid? Contains trans fats, which are harmful to heart health. Can increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Often made with unhealthy vegetable oils. 4. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates, such as white bread, pasta, and pastries, are stripped of their fiber, vitamins, and minerals during processing. This leaves them with little nutritional value and a high glycemic index, which can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Consuming too many refined carbs can lead to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other health issues. Why to avoid? Lacks essential nutrients like fiber. Causes rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels. Contributes to weight gain and increases the risk of type 2 diabetes. 5. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners found in many diet or sugar-free products were once thought to be a healthy alternative to sugar. However, research has shown that these sweeteners can have negative effects on metabolism, gut health, and appetite regulation. Some studies suggest that they may even contribute to weight gain and increase the risk of certain diseases. Why to avoid? Can disrupt metabolism and appetite regulation. May negatively impact gut bacteria. Potentially linked to weight gain and metabolic disorders. 6. Fried foods. Fried foods such as French fries, fried chicken, and donuts are typically cooked in unhealthy oils that contain trans fats. These foods are high in calories and unhealthy fats, which can increase the risk of heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. Additionally, frying can create harmful compounds like acrylamide, which is a potential carcinogen. Why to avoid? High in unhealthy fats and calories. Contains harmful compounds formed during frying. Increases the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions. 7. High sodium snacks. Many snacks, such as chips, pretzels, and crackers, are loaded with sodium. Excessive sodium intake is linked to high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. These snacks often lack nutritional value and are easy to overconsume, leading to a higher intake of empty calories and unhealthy ingredients. Why to avoid? High in sodium, which can increase blood pressure. Lacks essential nutrients and can contribute to overeating. Linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases. 8. Commercial baked goods. Commercially baked goods, including cakes, cookies, and pastries, are often made with refined flours, sugars, and unhealthy fats. They are also typically loaded with preservatives and artificial ingredients. These foods can contribute to weight gain, blood sugar imbalances, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Why to avoid? High in refined sugars and unhealthy fats. Contains artificial ingredients and preservatives. Contributes to weight gain and blood sugar issues. 9. Fast food. Fast food is convenient, but it is also one of the unhealthiest food options available. It is often high in calories, unhealthy fats, sodium, and sugar. Regular consumption of fast food can lead to weight gain, digestive problems, heart disease, and other health issues. The lack of nutrients in fast food can also leave you feeling unsatisfied and craving more unhealthy foods. Why to avoid? High in unhealthy fats, sodium, and calories. All lacks essential nutrients and promotes poor dietary habits. Increases the risk of obesity, heart disease, and other chronic conditions. Our diet plays a crucial role in our overall health and longevity. By avoiding these 9 foods, you can reduce your risk of chronic diseases, maintain a healthy weight, and improve your overall well-being. It's essential to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods and to be mindful of what you consume daily. Small changes in your diet can lead to significant health benefits over time, helping you live a longer, healthier life.